Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be seeing our garden tour, and this is from my parents' house. It's not in this house. I have a lot of things that I'm still setting up in this house, so you'll be seeing like a mini garden tour or balcony tour of where I'm sitting right now, and the house tour as well. In some time I'm still setting them up. So for today's video, this has been long due. A lot of you guys had asked me since I started my channel probably. So yeah, here we go. Finally we're gonna see a garden tour, and this is all my mom's effort, you guys, and it's a beautiful garden. So yeah, let's see the garden tour. Today's video is going to be a garden tour, and this is in my parents' house, and I'll show you guys around. It's a very beautiful garden, and a lot of you guys have been asking about it, so here we go. So I asked my mom to be in the video, but then she's not dressed, and she's asked me to show it. But you can see the voiceover.
Pink flower.
Okay. So this one is a mango tree, and
the
these
last
are
one is
banana.
mango. And this is red banana, red chikkarkeli banana.
There's also a papaya tree here. So this one that you're seeing is papaya. It has like tiny papayas actually which are coming out. This entire place has a lot of creepers, and this one's actually next to our house. It's not inside our garden, but these are also something that mom has been working on. And this is the garden that is inside our house, and we'll look at that as well. Chucha.
ఈ క్రీపర్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఎల్లో ఫ్లవర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అది కీరా.
కీరానా? కీరా కాదు, గుమ్మడికాయ. గుమ్మడికాయనా? So these creepers are also of some vegetable, and they have like yellow flowers outside the house. And this ఇది గోరింటాకా. ఓకే, మరి అన్ని సీడ్స్ ఉన్నాయండి.
ఇప్పుడు సీడ్స్ వచ్చినాయి.
ఓకే, ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఏమంటారు గోరింటాకు?
ఆషాఢ మాసంలో గోరింటాకు పెట్టుకుంటారు కదా.
So yeah, this is the gorintaku chattu, the mehendi one. And this whole section also has some plants, and it is a very nice place to like sit down next to it. It has some stairs also, and the dogs really enjoy this space. So this is a very pretty croton with red color flowers. Looks very aesthetic. And we have one more tree here. The current lines are obstructing it. And EVM flowers. This creeper actually goes up until like the 4th floor with beautiful yellow flowers. And then we have one more plant here. So this one is actually an indoor plant, but we've placed it here. There are few inside the house. This is also a papaya tree. And then we have some more creepers here and crotons. Here at the bottom also we have these purple color leafed crotons. And some more here. The stairs here, this is like a nice spot to sit. I used to sit here with the dogs and chill. I'll put some pictures here. Looks very nice and pleasant.
This is one type of croton.
We have some more banana trees here, and we use them for any of these functions we have at home. Banana leaf is supposed to be very auspicious. We have few more banana trees here. Here we have some hibiscus, and we have like pink and red also. The pink ones are inside, and there's these flowers in white, very gorgeous. This is the inside part of our house. Here also we have banana leaves. We even make curry with the purple banana flower that you see here, and here we have some bananas coming up. The hibiscus tree which we saw earlier, this was the one that we saw from outside as well. We have some pinks and reds. We use all of these for puja, and some of them we just leave them, we don't pluck them. We just leave them on the plants as it is. This one's a mango tree. We don't have any fruits yet. They're just coming up. You can see tiny ones here. So this is all my mom's favorite. Like, she loves gardening, and the dogs really enjoy all this. So we have them all in placed in pots here, and some of them are directly placed here in the ground. So this is the other side of the garden, and you can see the dogs really enjoy this. They play here often, and they really enjoy this. So this is another creeper. It's beetle. It's the Tamalapaku. We are inside the garden now. So here we have these yellow flowers, and the same plant is the one that you saw outside as well. Here we have Ramaphalam, which is the same group of plants as Sitaphalam, and they have like very tasty, delicious fruits.
Very rare also.
Quite rare, as according to my mom. And yeah, here.
Kerala arati.
Okay. So this is the Kerala banana tree.
Red color lo.
Here we have sapota and amla, and there is bella. This is also the wash area in the back side, so won't be taking you guys much, but yeah, you can see amla.
Banana.
And here we have one more banana tree and some other creepers here. More bananas. Lots of different varieties of bananas. This is also an indoor plant actually, and I've taken one of them to my house. So this is kanda, and this one actually my sister-in-law planted it. So when she came in, it's a ritual, so she's planted it and it's already grown. Some more indoor plants and crotons. Iden chettu? Okay, here also we have the amla. This one is amla. Some more of these pretty ones. We have the karvepaku chettu.
Very big one.
It goes up all the way, and we can reach it from like the second floor. I have taken one tiny pot to my new house as well. Yeah. There's a big money plant tree, which I'll take in this kalta.
Okay.
This is a very beautiful one, which I have my eye on. I'll be taking it to the new house.
Idi pachmirappi chettu.
Okay, great. So this is green chilies. This is a very nice one. Bella again.
Yeah, then idi mango tree. Inta peddadayindi.
So this is mango tree.
Last దీంట్లో దానిమ్మ.
And we also have anar here. Well, actually anar, but it's right next to the mango tree, so it's outside the compound wall where we saw the banana earlier.
బిల్వ చెట్టు.
Edi?
ఇదిగో ఇలా.
Ida?
అది బిల్వ చెట్టు.
Oh, this is the bilwa chettu.
Very auspicious.
Very auspicious, and something for Shivratri. More money plants.
ఇది పారిజాత.
Okay. More banana.
ఇది బనానాకి ఎలా ఉంది.
Which has a gala here inside. You can see that here, right there. Yeah, there are bananas coming up. You can see the big banana leaves here. This place is like a slightly congested area, so won't be able to show you properly. This is again one more indoor plant. Another one here. One more. So just walking you guys through it. So this is a place where I used to shoot often. So these are all the creepers, and I've decorated them with bells which were left from my Pelikuturu function. You can see a lot of other indoor plants here. Gummadkaya. Here we have some more. Just place the tripod here. Show you guys. Oh, చిక్కుడుకాయ వచ్చిందా? చిక్కుడుకాయ అండ్ బీన్స్ కదా, బీన్స్ ఫ్యామిలీనే కదా. చిక్కుడుకాయ there. And there's money plants. This is again something that you've seen already. More banana. Lots of crotons. And tulsi. We have tulsi upstairs as well. This is a rose bush. This one is aloe vera. I took it from a friend, from office colleague, and we placed it here. I want to take aloe vera also to my new house a little bit. Our place. So I hope you all enjoyed the garden tour, you guys, and I actually asked my mom to show everything, but she was not dressed appropriately, and we've been putting off this video for a while, so we ended up shooting it. However, if you have any questions, or if you want to know anything else, or if you would like to see any other videos related to gardening, do let us know in the comments below, and we'll definitely shoot those as well. And before you go, do subscribe to my channel and also find me on Instagram. You'll be seeing a lot of fun content of fashion, home decor, lifestyle, and a lot of other things. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Yeah, I'm stuck. Oh. Yeah. కింద పడిపోతావు. అరే ఏం చెట్టు?
దాన్ని ఏమంటారు మరి? సంతోట.
ఏ పురుగులు వస్తున్నాయి ఇక్కడ. నిన్నేమన్నా కుడతాయి, నీకేమన్నా వస్తాయి, జాగ్రత్త.